Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram for more interesting tips and tutorials. In today's video we'll create these kind of earrings. They are made of peyote stitch and I added some crystals to the sleeve to make them more shine, sparkle and unique. Let's start. All necessary materials as always you will find in the description below this video. First of all, we will start with our stop bead. Take a bead of other color and just enter to the same seed bead. Our earrings will start with 21 seed bead size 10. Then take one seed bead, skip one and enter to the next. Again, one, skip one and enter to the next. First row is always the most hardest. Again, one skip, enter to the next. Again. In total you will need to make 6 steps like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, and 6. Here we take 2 seed beads instead of 1 and we don't skip any, we enter straight away to the next seed bead with 2 seed beads. Then again we take 1, we skip 1 and we enter to the next, and we do 5 down. 1, skip 1, enter to the next, it will be first, then second, 5 in total. Always skip 1 and enter to the next one. Turn. And now we start again with 6 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here we take again 2 seed beads and we enter straight away to the next seed bead. Here we start again, but this time 5 down. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Turn and again 6 up. Two in the middle, and 5 down. And we continue all the time the same: 6 up, 2 in the middle and 5 down. Continue the same while you will have necessary length of your leaf. I will be back to you when my base will be ready. My base is ready. It is from one side 1 2 3 4 5 6 and from other side 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now what we need to do is we need to pass with our needle to the beginning here. Just weave your thread through the seed beads till the necessary part. Measure how you will sew them together. So I need to go this way here to enter to the seed bead from this side, from the bottom. Then here you like sew two parts together. This way. Then I will check two earrings. Are they equal or not? All good here. So I will pass. I will make a knot to secure two parts better. And now I will start to sew on crystals. I need to sew them on. If on this earring my crystals are going this way, on this earring they will go this way. I start with blue, then gray, light blue and brown. Just enter with the needle and the thread into the seed beads. This way you will sew on our crystals. Now with our thread we will go to the top part here. I will weave my thread to the beginning of my leaf to attach our clasp. I take one seed bead, our clasp, and one more seed bead. And enter. Pass one more time. And now we will need to secure our thread. Just weave it through the seed beads and make couple of knots. Same we do with our tail. Go to the back side, weave it a bit down, make a knot, and then cut the thread. Our earrings are ready. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like this video and comment below if you have any questions or suggestions to my channel. Thank you for watching this video and see you soon. Bye!